So hello guys, my name is Harshit Kumaut and as you all know, I am pursuing PGDM diploma in retail management from Delhi based business school. So there are many students who are confused that this year that they should pursue their MBA program this year or not, because the pandemic has created confusion in between all of us. So basically in this video I am telling you three things. On the behalf of these three things you should take a decision that you should pursue your MBA or not this year. So let's start this video without further delay. So first of all, first thing that what was happened to those students who were pass out in 2020 when the pandemic has started. So basically I am telling you on the behalf of my college experience and about my senior batch who was pass out in 2020. So basically those students who were pursuing in the marketing field, so they all are placed before the December month. So they already make a record in the college because they all are selected before December month, because companies are started from September month only. So they are not faced a huge problem who were pursuing in MBA in marketing field, and rest of the section I did not know much about them, so I will not tell you anything wrong about them. And about layoff, there are two students who were selected in TikTok company or TikTok company, and after banning the TikTok, I think most probably they also fired company also fired them, because they don't have any kind of operation or work for them. So definitely they fired by the company. And about the rest of the student were not fired by any company, so they have not faced huge problem who pursuing MBA in marketing field. And the second thing, what will happen to those students who pursuing their batch year is 2019 to 2021, like me. I am pursuing MBA and my batch year is 2019 to 2021. So basically companies are started coming from September month only, and there are already students who are selected in the company, and the joining date will be according to their student choice or by the company, that if the student who want to join immediately they can join, and if they want to attend the classes they can attend, and after from the January they can join the organization. And company give a totally freedom for student that any time of you want to come in our organization they can come. Even student who are got selected, they gave a offer letter to students. And third thing is that what will happen to those students who are pursuing their MBA in 2020. I tell you that those people who are pursuing, or those students who are pursuing in 2020 or 2019, whosoever student enroll themselves in these 2 years, 2019 and 2020, so they have a golden period for the student who are pursuing MBA. Why I am telling you? Because if you know, in the recession in 2008 the recession came, and in 2009 and 10 there were huge demand of professional and management student. That company did not find much of a student who can join the organization. So basically if you are pursuing 2020, when your season time, the placement session come, that moment there will be 100% recovery, and companies are now at the recovery stage. And at the moment when your placement session come, that moment there are more growing company, and there are a lot of retail store are expanding their area of to the different kind of a location. So if you think that if you want to my personal opinion about about you, that you should pursue your MBA or not, then I will say definitely you should pursue your MBA, because this will be golden period for you if you enroll yourself in 2020 batch. And I think many of a student will face the financial problem, but you should not worry. You should focus on the alternate option, because if you connect with the college, and the college will not demand, first of all, college will not demand immediate depositing the fees. And the second thing is that you can avail the very facilities are available in the college, that many banks are providing education loan to you, and which is not bank will not charge you any kind of interest. They will give you whole amount, not whole amount, 20% of the tuition fee. You should you need to deposit only 20%, and rest of 80% bank will deposit in the direct the college account. So you have a opportunity. If you want to avail this, you can. And if you want to make a career in any stream of MBA, then I think it is the best time to enroll yourself to get a place in the any reputed company. So I think most of the students who are pursuing MBA, their primary goal is to earn money, which is only earned by those students who are ready to work and ready to learn. So my personal opinion is only that you should pursue your MBA this year and enroll yourself into any MBA program from any business school. But you should take a decision that which business school you should take a decision, you should enroll yourself. So there are a lot of things you need to keep in mind before going into business school, because you need to check first of all the facility. You need to check the faculty of those college, because faculty are who are teaching you, and if they are not adaptable to this situation, you will face a huge problem. Third thing is that you should check the infrastructure of the college, because many of the college took a enrollment from the student, but they don't have a proper infrastructure. And in infrastructure, you should check the website of that college, the facility are available in the college, and the mode of teaching and how it will be good for you. So there are many factors you should check before enrollment in any business school. So guys, my opinion is only that you should take a decision this year. So thank you guys.